Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Minakshi, and I brought a school morning anchoring script for new session, means for the first day of new session of the schools. And I hope that ये script आपके लिए थोड़ी बहुत ज़रूर helpful होगी. From classrooms to boardrooms, people are discovering how to learn from failure. Failure has been crowned the mother of innovation because innovation is something we can only learn through a process of trial and error. And yes, it is also true that putting our stuff out into the world can be hard. But we should not forget that with God's blessings and hard work, everything is possible. And with this, heartiest morning to the respected principal sir, teachers, and my fellow students. New session is going to commence from today onwards, and my name is Radhya from class 8, standing before you to present today's morning assembly. Let's start our day with God's prayer. Oh God, fill us with new blessings, joy, and peace. Help renew our heart so that we students can be ready for a new beginning. And now, everybody join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, we are proud to be a part of our beloved India. Being a citizen of this country, we have some duties to fulfill. Pledge which we take is a way to make us aware of our duties towards our nation. And I request Veer from class 8 to lead us with pledge. Thank you very much, Veer. Dear friends, failure can be success if we learn from it. Why not we stop focusing on failure and look to the success that lies ahead? And yes, good thoughts on hard work can help us maintain peace and motivation. As we aim to achieve success in our life, with this, I invite on stage Pragati from class 8 to share today's thought. Good morning to all. My name is Pragati. Thought of the day is success seems to be connected with action. Successful people keep moving, they make mistakes, but they don't quit. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you very much, Pragati, for sharing such a motivational thought. Newspapers provide us with up to date information about what is happening in our local community, our country, and around the world. Due to hustle bustle in life, we don't get time to read the newspaper. Let's get know today's news headlines, and I invite on stage Amrit from class 8 to share news with us. And thank you very much, Amrit, for sharing news headlines. With the start of the new academic session, of course, we get loaded with many new responsibilities and challenges. And yes, it becomes a little difficult to get back to the school after holidays. And here, I would like to invite our beloved Principal Sir to bless us. And thank you very much, sir, for your blessings and motivation. Our national anthem is our pride and we are proud of it. Dear students, national anthem highlights India's national heritage and demonstrates patriotism and loyalty to one's country. And let's stand upright and sing our national anthem. After national anthem, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a great day ahead.